I'm extremely happy to be present here for the refurbished branch inauguration. Central Bank of India is a pan-India bank having branches throughout the country. More than 4,300 branches is there. It is third largest bank as far number of branches is concerned. It is having 4 lakh crores business as on March 2013. It is having 4 million customers, 40 million customers, and we are in constant process of upgrading our branches, making it more customer friendly. It has many schemes for the deposits and advances. Recently, bank has introduced a unique scheme where bank is paying rate of interest of 9.5% for short-term deposits, and there is no special facility. There is no premature withdrawal penalty on this. Bank has various schemes for giving loans to the farmers against the gold jewels, and also a special scheme for the fisherwomen, which is known as the Matsya Kanya. Our bank is the only bank who has introduced this scheme for the persons. This bank has a unique credit cum debit facility. It's called as a Wonder Card, where a person, salaried person, can overdraw from their account by way of this card. These are some of the facilities which I have narrated. I request all the people of Hyderabad to come to branches of Central Bank of India, enjoy the benefit, and also see our premises, which is state of the art in most of the places, and our committed team of 42,000 employees throughout the country is always ready to serve you all. I have told you about the Cent Benefit Scheme, which is a deposit scheme where the rate of interest is 9.5% is for short-term deposit, which is highest among any public sector bank in the country. Also, bank has a special facility for knowing the balance in the account by way of a missed call. If you give a missed call in a particular call center number, you will come to know about the balance in the account. No other bank has given. Bank has got award for that. Bank is also getting various awards. Yesterday, I received award from CNBC TV 18 for giving the financial education to the people, and we were the first among PSU banks to get that award. Similarly, I have told you about the fisherwomen. For fisherwomen, there is a scheme in our bank where a small fisherwoman trader can take money from the bank and pay in installments. Apart from that, for the salaried class, there is a special scheme where person can overdraw from their salaries account. Depending on the salary, up to 60,000 rupees they can draw from the salary. These are some of the unique features our bank has. And apart from that, for the women, we have a scheme called as Cent Kalyani, where loan up to 1 crore rupees without any collateral or without any guarantee, without any third-party security is given. Also, the guarantee fee for CGTMSE for the first year is covered by the bank itself. These are some of the unique features which I have narrated. More, it can be seen in the branch. When you talk to the branch manager or regional manager or zonal manager, you will get to know about more and more about this bank. Yes, we are expanding more than 500 branches throughout the country. By March 2014, we will try to have at least 500 more branches. We also want to have all the branches attached with the ATM as per Government of India guidelines. Apart from that, there are various lead districts throughout the country, mostly in western and northern part, where we are doing the lead responsibility. These places we are opening more number of business correspondents. We are having the financial literacy centers. We are having our cities, etc., etc. So bank is trying to do best in all the scenarios. In the present economic scenario, bank is trying its best to serve the customers of this country.